Greetings, this is Edward Ojambo. This is the review of parsing text data files using Python. JavaScript Object Notification, or JSON, is an open data interchange standard. It's a plain text format that is language independent. JSON is a collection of key value pairs. The object begins with the left curly brace and ends with the right curly brace. Let's begin. I'm going to be using Guinea in this tutorial. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create the JSON file. So in Guinea, I'll just open up here and I'll save this file as a JSON file. So we'll create a JSON file first. So it's opening squiggly brackets. Okay, name, age, because age is a number for numeric. We don't need to create any, we need to code it. And graduate is Boolean. That's it. So then we're just going to save this. Okay, we'll save it as myjson.json. Then we're going to create a, we can use the template here with Python. Zoom in here so you can see. We don't need anything here. I'm going to save this as the file name doesn't really matter. I think I'll just call it JSON parse or something like that. So we'll import JSON, then we'll open the JSON file. Now we can put R to read the file, and because it's a text file, so we can do that. This part here is not necessary because the default is to read a text file. It's not a binary file, but I'll leave it there just for the tutorial. You can remove it, it's not needed. JSON file, colon. Now we need to parse the JSON file. So Python so it's JSON load because it's a file. Load would be if it was a string. If you remember, JSON is a collection of key value pairs. So now that's a Python object, we can get the key name. Now duplicate this for age. Duplicate this. It's Control D. Then parent variable called combine. We'll use the Python f strings. Age, years old, and it is and we just print combine. Now that we're done, we go here to compile the current file, or we can go under build or tools, build, we compile. So compile, you see down here, we just compiled it, no problem. Then we can go here to run or view, or we can go to build and click on execute. And here's the output here. My name is John, and I'm 24 years old, and it is true that I'm a graduate. The full article can be found at ojambo.com/read-text-files-using-python. So you can see here I have the full article including all the commands for the open function. You can expand the source to see the source here. If you just want to copy paste, that's fine. The screenshots here for Guinea. And here's the YouTube video, or you can watch it on other platforms, Odyssey, Rumble, Twitter, etc. Then, of course, if you want to learn Python yourself, I do have a Learning Python course available at jamboshop.com/learning-python. You can get 20% off until the end of 2024 using the promo code SCHOOL. And this is the page. So once you first log in, you get this here. So you can go to my account, paid content, or account here, paid content, or even right here. Just click paid content, it brings you here, Learning Python course, and it remembers, it's a bookmark, it remembers the last page you left on the course. So you can see there's a whole bunch of stuff you can use, like upper, lower, strip, replace, split, it's all in here, and escape functions, and you can type in some code here. So John equals John, and you can print, and you see the code will be output down here, and you can clear both the output and the IDE, so you can type in new code. Thank you.